Welcome to Oil Twins News, December 2025. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, send it. We're the Oil Twins. We build it, break it, fix it, and we run AMSOIL the right way. Be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to keep up on all of our antics. For more information, visit www.oiltwins.com. Today we're coming to you from our new studio. Some new improvements have been made and some new ones are coming. To kick things off, I just want to say Merry Christmas to you and your family from the Oil Twins and our families. We hope that 2025 has been a great year for you and better things to come in 2026. What's going on with the AMSOIL corporate calendar and news? First up, AMSOIL announces JH Diesel partnership.
We have a huge announcement to make today. We just started a partnership that is going to help us excel in more ways than one. That's right, guys. We just signed a deal with AMSOIL. If you don't know what AMSOIL is and you're in the automotive world, you're obviously living under a rock.
As independent dealers, the Oil Twins are excited and welcome JH Diesel and 4x4 to the AMSOIL family. But AMSOIL didn't stop there. Welcome Martin Kemp to the AMSOIL family, as AMSOIL Corporate has sponsored him for the Dakar Rally. For Martin Kemp, racing is life and motorcycles are the gateway to freedom and adventure. His lifelong dream of competing in the Dakar Rally is drawing closer as he approaches his 60th birthday. After skipping the Dakar for decades to focus on family and career, Kemp recently committed to racing the 2026 Dakar, requiring that he complete an intense training regimen and prepare his bike and team. As independent AMSOIL dealers, the Oil Twins are proud of Kemp and will keep you updated on his success and victories. Let's take a dive into the AMSOIL corporate calendar and see what AMSOIL's up to the next few months. King of the Hammers, January 31st to February 9th, Johnson Valley, California. Part desert sprint, part rock crawling chaos. Let's talk about one of the most exciting and prestigious off-road races in the world. That's the SCORE Baja 1000. And this year it was won by AMSOIL sponsor Bryce Menzies in the 94.
And Bryce Menzies behind the wheel here for the finish.
As independent dealers, the Oil Twins are proud to be a part of the AMSOIL racing family, and congratulations to Bryce Menzies for winning the 2025 SCORE Baja 1000. In last month's pit stop poll, we asked which part of your vehicle worked the hardest. Was it A, engine, B, transmission, C, suspension and pivots, or D, differentials and axles? The Oil Twins audience overwhelmingly picked D, differentials and axles. And now for this month's pit stop poll. Which off-road race would you want to take on? Baja 1000, King of the Hammers, Dakar, or the Mint 400? Let us know in the comments below. Alright, so what is AMSOIL doing for preferred customers this month? Well, let me tell you, it's pretty cool. It is a UTV block set. If your shop needs to restock, or if you've been waiting to top off your winter prep order, now's the time. Use our transfer link in the description and become an AMSOIL preferred customer or place your order. The Oil Twins will get the credit and you'll get the AMSOIL. Hey, preferred customers, let us know the biggest savings you've had this year. Sounds like a win-win. And it wouldn't be a Baja 1000 without the Lovell family. Brad and Adam Lovell took on the Baja in their Ford Bronco Raptor. If there's one name that defines AMSOIL off-road performance, it's Brad Lovell. He is a multi-time King of the Hammers champion and Off-Road Motorsports Hall of Famer. His track record? Legendary. His passion? Rooted in family adventure and trailblazing since day one. Their weapon of choice? A 2007 Ford Ranger rock racer with a resume of more than 40 wins across rock climbs, hill races, and desert sprints. AMSOIL just isn't backing racers, they're backing teams, families, and legacies. And the Oil Twins are proud to be a part of it. All the best to the Lovell family from the Oil Twins. And now let's talk about this month's product highlight, AMSOIL Grease. Grease doesn't get the headlines until it fails. AMSOIL brought grease production in-house with aerospace lubricants. That means higher quality control, faster development, and consistent performance rolling out the next 6 months. What sets these synthetic polymer greases apart? Strong film strength for shock loads, tack to stay put, and additive systems that fight corrosion and washout. Look for modern performance markers like HPM multi-use certification and variants for harsh environments. High load, HL, water resistant, WR, low temperature, LT. Translation, match your grease to the abuse, not the color of the grease or the color of the label. Pro tip, don't mix incompatible thickeners. If you're changing brands or types, be sure to purge the old grease and wipe out the cavity clean. Grease is cheap, failures aren't. And that wraps up the Oil Twins news for December 2025. Be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. And we look forward to having you on our next adventure. Now 3, 2, 1, you go send it. Oil Twins. Built, tested, and proven.